My motivation to open Vixen Academy stems from my insatiable desire to empower and uplift inspiring makeup artists and share the knowledge and passion that has fueled my own success in the beauty industry. I'm driven by the belief that makeup artistry is not just about applying cosmetics, but about enhancing natural beauty and boosting self-confidence. I envision Vixen Academy as a transformative hub where aspiring artists can hone their skills, discover their unique artistry, and embark on a path to success. My own journey as a makeup artist has been filled with challenges and triumphs, and I am passionate about creating a supportive and nurturing environment where students can learn from experienced professionals, connect with like-minded individuals, and embrace the power of makeup to transform lives. I believe that Vixen Academy will not only empower aspiring artists, but also enrich the beauty industry as a whole. By nurturing a new generation of talented and passionate makeup artists, I hope to elevate the standards of artistry and foster a culture of creativity, innovation, and ethical practices. Through Vixen Academy, I aim to leave a lasting legacy in the beauty industry, inspiring others to pursue their passions, embrace their unique talents, and make a positive impact on the world through the transformative power of makeup.